Hi folks, this is Chooks, owner of Strong Pillar Construction. This is one of our completed project here in Coon Rapid that I'll be showing you guys what we did. So as you can see from the video, this is the exterior. We did the entire exterior. We changed the post and the beam. And I will take you guys inside so you can see what it looks like. Let's go. If you've been following our video, you'll know that every project we do, we like to introduce our custom built fireplace. So this is a 70-inch recessed electric fireplace that just gave this living room a very unique vibe. You can change the color and this can warm up the area within a minute or two. So then we have our recessed light and crown mode above, and right here is where the TV is going to be. So we introduced these accent paneling on this project because we wanted to break your traditional wall. So these wood paneling just gave this area a soft vibe. We took this panel as well into the kitchen, which I'm going to be showing you guys shortly. Hey, so this is the kitchen. This is my favorite spot. You know, I took time designing this kitchen. As you can see from the video, we have this elegant pendant light that just beautified the kitchen. We have our island. This island is about 10 foot, which can fit 4 people comfortably. Then you follow me, I introduced the wall paneling just to make this area unique. Then we have this LED light as well. And on my right, we have these 3 floating shelves. You know, again, you know, I like the wood paneling. Then we have our quartz countertop, gas stove, microwave that is vented outside. And the kitchen cabinet is all custom, made with real wood, soft close. As you can see from one of the drawer, we have all our spoon organizers. Then we have the pull-out shelves. Everything is soft close. This is our sink, double sink, and we have here as well our dishwasher, which is unique. Then we have our French door refrigerator, and again we have plenty room, countertop space. We decided not to put a sink on this area because we wanted the countertop space, so that was why we moved the sink into the island. So yeah, this is what a custom kitchen looks like. This is the bathroom. As you can see from the video, we have this elegant vanity with these custom doors, and we have a nice mirror and vanity light as well. Then we brought the wood paneling as well into the bathroom. This just gives it that unique vibe. Then we have the shower with a tub, and we have the soap holder right there. So this is what the bathroom looks like.